Hey there, it's Teresa Easler from Connect to the Core. And today's tip is about cognitive biases. And specifically, there are about 22 cognitive biases that psychologists have identified. And today, I'm going to be speaking about two of them. The first one being primacy bias. Primacy bias is that bias that we remember the first thing that we hear. Now, what this means to you as a communicator and as a presenter is that you only have a few minutes to get people's attention, and that's what they're going to be remembering. So make it good. Make sure it's good stuff that you start out with. The other bias is recency bias, and that is that we are wired to remember the most recent thing that we've heard. And how this is impacted by your presentation is that very frequently people forget to recap at the end of a presentation. And that's why it's so essential, because people remember the most recent thing, the recency bias. So in your presentation, as you are organizing it, remember those two biases. First, primacy bias. Come out of the gate with something good and juicy, because they're going to remember it. And then at the end, make sure you recap, because they're going to remember that recency bias. That's how they're going to retain the important information that you're conveying. So those two biases are so important for any speaker. Make sure you take advantage of them. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.